To DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Range Rover Evoque. It's a 2.2 diesel, finished in grey. It's a HSE dynamic with front park distance control, gloss black alloys, full spec on this one, privacy glass, black pack as well, reverse park sensors, a deeper HSE rear diffuser with a twin exhausts. Absolutely lovely condition, as you can see. It has had the cam belt done, the water pump, full service history. All our cars are pictured and videoed outside because it's better light, but all our cars are kept indoors, so can be viewed in any weather in that indoor showroom. As you can see there, the boot is in absolutely superb condition. Really has been well looked after. Full leather interior with white stitch piping, panoramic roof, electric memory seats, electric windows, electric seats. It's done 87,918 miles. Just start it up. It's got Meridian Hi-Fi on it. 3-stage heated seats. Satellite navigation. Reverse camera. Park distance control as well, climate control, paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, all your off-roading dynamics. Really is in lovely condition indeed. At DJH, we have full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.